Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany Janae and I'm doing another Vlogtober. And in today's video, I'm going to be making candles. Now I'm a candle addict and I love candles and I love fall scented candles. Like girl, name the candle brand, I probably purchased it in the past. But anyways, this is my first time making candles. I thought this would be a fun DIY project for me to do and to show you guys as well. So yeah, let's get into the video. Hey guys, as you can see, I have everything laid out and set up for what we're gonna need and what I'm gonna need in today's video to make these candles. I'm gonna be using the Soy Candle Making Kit brand. It was gifted to me over a year and a half ago for my birthday, Gemini Gang Gang, yeah. And I thought it would be the perfect time for me to just kind of like whip out this candle making kit and get into it. I took everything out that I feel like I need. So I'm gonna pour up with this kombucha baby because I always wanted to make candles, and it's this candle making place in the town that I live in. And like you can drink wine and make candles. I'm not gonna be drinking any wine, but just to set the vibe, I'm gonna drink. It doesn't really look like wine. Does it kind of look like Chardonnay or Pinot? A little too dark. I don't know. But to set the vibes, I'm gonna be drinking kombucha.
Come with a classic, they come around your slave and say it's a sleeper. The ears are real, the petty is real. Watch your life for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, Belinda Felicia. She gave me twice, I didn't even know her voice. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter, was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I swipe, touching my hands, you wouldn't believe it. I got stains on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind with my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love. I'm in love with 2 girls on my team. Many tears. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind with my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should have been. I need me some kids. Should have been. Shit for what I know me a bitch. You on my daily shit. I'm a secret. Trying to bitch me. Blow up my peeping. I can't respond with just do what you people. If I do some rats on the beat, I'm keeping this shit getting deeper. But I dig it. My shit won't be out. I hit the fish. Shark in the water. You swim with the Lucy. I hit the day by the Mars. She miss it. I grab my dish. She look over. I kiss it. I'm not a good, but I take the prescription. I like the post, so I keep the prescription. We walk around with them bands. I wish she just done it on jail. And I blow. I ain't missing. I'm dropping hit after hit. I'm be chilling. But I send the hill. I took on my children. Bigger than business. The business. The hustle. I fall out and find me a sweat. I told them they off of my heart. If they making me hard, I don't even burn. I start from the bottom. I lost from around. I was making no water. I almost thought the following day and went harder. I'm cracking my shit. I ain't seen it on slaughter. I gotta get money. I go to get charter. I get it before burgers and one small shit. I can't let them down off around my garden. I'm screaming. I know. Yeah, that's still a model. I know I be in some shit. But I ain't talking sins. I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind with my friends.
Alright you guys, so I let my wax cool for about 5 minutes. And so like now I'm going to do the light my fire scent. And so I'm gonna add cedar wood and it calls for 5 drops. Oh, is it open? Is it open? No, wait. Why is it coming out? Okay, I had a situation where we gotta fix. Cedar wood is now fully open. So I'm gonna add like 5 drops of this. 1, 2. We're gonna use majority of this lavender. So I'm just gonna like pour it in, baby. Oh, I wasn't supposed to use all of that. Whatever, it smells real lavender, real good. I'm feeling it, I like lavender. So we're about to get into the color. So I'm not gonna pour all of it in, it says to pour like, these like 2 tablespoons. So I'm gonna see if I follow directions. So we're gonna, do y'all see the color? Look at it. I'm so proud of myself. This is so cool. Okay, so now we have to let it cool for about 30 minutes. So once it's done cooling for about 30 minutes, I will show you guys the final product of the candle. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at my candle. It is so cute. It is orange, it is so fall ready, it is so October, it is so Halloween ready. Baby, it was so easy to make this candle. I feel like, oh, I have to cut, of course I have to cut the wick, but y'all, I'm so excited. At this point, I feel like I can open up my own candle business. Girl, what? You can't tell me nothing. What? Call me Jackiana because I'm forever a mood in here. Bars. Bars. Anyways, y'all, I'm so excited about this. I'm not gonna light it. I'm gonna let it cool down some more. I'm so annoying. I'm gonna let it cool down some more. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun. This is definitely gonna be a hobby of mine. It is so important to have a hobby, guys. It is so important. And this is gonna definitely be one of my hobbies. Anyways, guys, until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.